Today we're gonna see how to add bundle like this one into your Shopify store for free. And as you can see, it looks really nice. You can even put some urgency timer in the free gift area. You can also create a lot of different bundles. I will show you all the process and how it works, etc. in a few minutes. And of course, every time you're gonna add to the cart, you're gonna add the free gift in the cart, as you can see there. So first thing you have to do, you're gonna download the Amose Bundle app. As I said, it's completely free, so you don't need to pay anything. You just need to download this one. Once it's downloaded, you go in your Shopify admin and you go in the Amose Bundle app, and we're just gonna create a bundle. Me, I already have one, so I'm just gonna click on edit, but you on your side, you go for create bundle. So I'm gonna edit this one, and you will be in this page. So it's all the settings. You will have all the settings on the left and the live preview on the right. Every time you're gonna change something, it's gonna change in the live preview, so it's really easy to set up. You will see. First thing you have to do, you go for the product selection. You select the product you want the bundle to appear. So me, I already have one, so I'm not gonna touch. If you want to show variant, if you have variant, you can just select show variant there. You will be able even to put some color swatch, etc. But me, I will not put it. And after you have all the settings, if you want to create I'm gonna just talk about that a bit. Yeah, you have all the colors. You can just set up your color really easily and change individually. But it's up to you. Me, I will let it like that. And after you have all the options, so you can put some discount price, etc. If you want to do like I did with the free gift, you go in the option you want to implement, and you just enable the bonus settings. As you can see, otherwise now it don't appear if I disable it. And after you select the product you want to give, you can even change the quantity. And if you want, you can even put some timer. I will change it so you will see the change after in the website. And if you want, you can even do some progressive gifts. I will not do in this video, but mostly it looks like that. And you will be able to create, you will be able to give a lot of different products. And in every option, it's gonna be different product. So imagine the third option you put 3 products, and in the second one you put only 2 products, and every time you're gonna change, etc. So I think this one can be really nice to implement too. But we're just gonna keep it really simple and like that. Mostly when you did all your settings, you just need to save. So I'm just gonna save, and after that you go in your time editor, and you need to activate the app embeds Amose Bundle widget. So it's gonna be this one. I'm gonna remove this one. And as you can see, we have the bundle with the change, so don't forget to save there. And I'm just gonna show you in the website directly. As you can see, so we have the timer. Every time it's gonna refresh, it's gonna restart the timer, etc. And as I said, yeah, I think it's the best app currently, and it's completely free, so we don't need to pay $60 a month for a bundle app. And as you can see, it looks really nice. So if you want a bundle app for free, you should go for the Amose Bundle one.